Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss about a program that is newly launched by Swiggy. So Swiggy has introduced a new program named Swiggy I++, which is an exclusive program focused on helping the motivated and the talented engineers across the globe to gain the knowledge like how to build scalable products in the market. So let's see what's into it for us. So basically it's a 12-week program and the sessions will be fully online over Zoom, and that will be scheduled at weekday nights and weekends. And these sessions will be taken by Swiggy mentors and some industry leaders. So these are the skill sets, and I will be talking about this at later. So this kind of course will always boost your career because using this course or through this course you will get a great exposure to the software development field, and upon successfully completing the course you will be getting a certificate of completion from Swiggy I++. And if you perform very well, then you may get a chance to get into Swiggy itself. So you should have 0 to 4 years of experience to get into this course, and also freshers are welcome to apply for it. And no matter from where you are, because it's fully online and it's fully free of cost, and there are limited seats, so you should apply as quick as possible when you are seeing my video. So let's see what is the application process. At first you have to fill up an application form. I will be sharing the link in my video description. Then upon shortlisting on the basis of some questions that you will find in the application form itself, there will be an assessment, and you will get this assessment link over emails. And after completing these assessments, they will check these assessments, and based on the selection criteria will be in the next stage, that is a screening interview. And if you successfully crack that screening interview, then you are good to join this course. So let's see some FAQ. So what is the selection criteria? So the selection process comprises of a few assessment tests, which will include some MCQs on basically the computer science, some coding test, and upon successfully completing this test, there will be a screening interview. And if you also crack that interview, then we will be joining the course. And since they have limited batch, so suppose they reach the maximum seat, so and you also have cracked that interview, so there is a chance that they will include you in the next batch onwards. So what is the format of the session? So the format of the session is fully online, and these sessions will be held over Zoom. Basically there will be 3 to 4 hours of sessions on weekends, and 2 to 3 hours of sessions on selected weekday nights. And they also request you to dedicate 15 to 20 hours every week for attending the sessions and completing the assessments. Final schedule will be released to the students who will be selected for the first batch of this course. And what is the curriculum of this program? So these are the things that you will get to learn in this course, but these are the list. They can include many other skills in this course. So mostly they are focusing on backend skills, as you are seeing at like building APIs, AWS, Lambdas, etc. So each of these will also be accompanied by assignments and project work. And the last 2 to 3 weeks of this course, you will be developing a live project. So basically giving you the training, after giving you the proper training, they will give you some assignments and project work, and you must have to complete this assessment to go forward with the course. And from last 2 to 3 weeks of this course, they will start giving you training so that you can start building a live project using the skill sets. And you will get the chance to interact with Swiggy mentors and some of the industry leaders who are really good at that, at their subject matter. And what do I get upon successful completion of the session? So as I've said earlier, that you will receive a completion certificate, and if you perform really well, you may have a chance to get hired by Swiggy itself, but it's not confirmed as of now. So then I am able to attend this. I'm not able to attend this batch. So as I've said, like if you are not able to attend this batch, they will be launching some other batches in very soon. So you have to look into their portal. And why only backend skills. So they wanted to focus on backend skill set for the introductory batch, and they will include some other skill set also in the upcoming batches. So you can look into their this portal. And is there any prerequisite for the program? So you should have a basic programming knowledge and understanding of the cloud development practice, problem solving, and ability to code hands-on. And most important, you should have a learner attitude. Otherwise, you will not be able to learn anything from this kind of online sessions or courses. And there is so this is one of the most important questions, like is there a guarantee that you will get a job after successfully completing this course? And the answer is no. There is no guarantee that you will get this job. There is an exceptional case, like if you perform really exceptionally well, then there is a chance that you may get a chance to get hired by Swiggy itself. But this kind of skill set, that like whatever they will be teaching in this course online, so these skill sets will obviously help you to get land on a product based company. So if you have any more questions, so you can reach out to them through IPPB address swiggy.in. So that's it. I will be pasting that application link in my video description so that you can apply. And please like, share, and subscribe my channel, because that gives me motivation to make such kind of videos. Thank you.